One trick and the chicken breast becomes a delicious masterpiece. Let's start by cutting 2 chicken breast fillets into cubes. Let me know if you like receiving chicken or beef recipes. Don't forget to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. Now I'm going to take this chicken to a bowl. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of sweet paprika, olive oil to taste. I put gloves on my hands so I can mix these ingredients well. This chicken recipe will surprise you. It's easy and quick to prepare at home. In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. When the butter has melted, add the chicken to fry. Let it fry until golden brown on both sides. At the end of this video, leave a rating from 0 to 10. That way I'll know you liked this amazing recipe. Add 250 milliliters of milk to the chicken and cook well. In a bowl, with 2 potatoes cut up, add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Add olive oil to taste. All you have to do is mix these spices well into the potatoes. Whenever I make this recipe here at home, there's nothing left over. In a pan, fry the potatoes until golden brown. Then add the potatoes to the pan with the chicken. Add 150 grams of white cheese. I'll add a little parsley. I put the lid on and let it cook for about 2 minutes. And our quick and easy recipe is ready. Simply delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.